Hello and welcome. This is Parwez CSAT Reasoning faculty. Today I'm just going to start a topic which is really very important for CSAT examination, and topic name is Sylog. You know very well about this topic, and this is really very important topic, and you will find in every examination one or two questions are generally given in this section. So yes, today we will do Sylog part 1. In this type of question, first we will know generally which type of question asked in the examination. So yes, remember, universal affirmative statement. Second type of question you will find universal negative statement. In third type, particular affirmative statement. In fourth type, particular negative statement. These are the four type generally we will see in your examination, and these are universal affirmative statement. In common language, you can say the statement starts with all. Universal negative statement, this is no. When we are talking about particular affirmative statement, remember this is some. And when we are talking about particular negative statement, this is some not. So these are the four basically important type that I want to share in today's class so that you can easily understand about the Sylog. So first is universal affirmative statement. When a statement starts with all, like all apples are mango. This is called universal affirmative statement. If in sentence you are finding no apple is mango, this is universal negative statement. And when you are just going to see the question, some apples are mango, this is particular affirmative statement. And when you see some apples are not mango, means this is a type of particular negative statement. So these are the type that we see in our examination. And how will we solve these type of question? I'm just telling you today in very easy way. This is the very easiest process to find out the answer, and make sure after taking class you can make any questions comfortably. So yes, moving to the next, and just going to start one by one so that you can understand the questions very well. And first type we are just taking universal affirmative statement. When in the question, a statement will be in this form: all officers are engineers, and all engineers are doctors. So here we are just going to see a statement starts with all. So what will actually we have to do in this type of question, we will see with the help of Venn diagram. And this is very simplest and easiest ways to find out the answer of Sylog. And today I'm just telling you how will you draw Venn diagram so that you can find your answer comfortably in your examination. So yes, first statement is all officers are engineer. All officers are engineer and all engineers are doctor. So this is the right Venn diagram of these statement. Here we see all officers are engineer and all engineer are doctor. Now how will we conclude these statement? So remember, here I am telling you some important thing. When we are moving from inner side to outer side, remember this is called inner to outer, means moving from inner side to outer side. When we are moving from inner side to outer side, our conclusion will be in the form of all as well as some. But yes, when we are moving from outer to inner side, remember outer to inner, moving from outer to inner side, in that case our conclusion always be in the form of sum. So yes, here I discuss about when we are moving from inner side to outer side, like this is 1, 2, 3. 1, 2 and 3. When moving from inner side to outer side means 1 to 2, 2 to 3 or 1 to 3. Moving from inner side to outer side, we will see conclusion in the form of all and some. And when moving from outer to inner side means 3 to 2, 3 to 1 and 2 to 1. In that case, we will have to remember our conclusion always be in the form of sum. Now, find the conclusion of the question. So first we will see conclusion in the form of all. And here we are finding all officers are engineer, which is given in our statement. Another one, all engineer are doctor, which is also given in our statement. One more for all is left, and that is all officers are doctor. So first we will write all officers are doctors. Now in second, moving from outer to inner side, because all has done, so make sure now we will have to conclude the answers from outer to inner side. So outer to inner, we will take always starts with some. So yes, some doctors are engineers. Next one, some doctors are officers. And next one, some engineers are officers. So these are the four conclusions that we will find in our examination in the form of the sentence. So make sure this is the right conclusion when in the question you are just giving a statement starts with all. So remember two things that I share in this question, and that is from inner to outer, you will have to always keep your mind that conclusion starts with all as well as some. But yes, when moving from outer to inner side, in that case conclusion always be in the form of some. So these are the correct conclusion. These are the valid conclusion that we find in our examination, and in this way we will solve the question of universal affirmative statement. So this is the part of universal affirmative statement. I hope you all are able to understand what I discuss in this type of question. Now, taking another type of syllogism. In a statement, we are taking particular affirmative statement. First, we will see the question which are related to affirmative statement. That's why we have already discussed universal affirmative statement, and now I am taking particular affirmative statement. So particular means some boys are intelligent, and second one is some intelligent are hard working. So the question, the statement which are starts with, which are just going to starts with some, these type of question is the part of particular affirmative statement. So what we'll do in this type of question, I am showing you how will you draw the Venn diagram of this type of statement, and here we are just finding some boys are intelligent. So we are taking some boys are intelligent and some intelligent are hardworking, some intelligent are hardworking. Now you just think that, sir, is it possible to make the picture in this way? You will think your mind that this is the way to find out the answer. Sir, can we draw these pictures according to this statement? So here I am telling you, remember, encroachment is not allowed in this type of question. So make sure some is connected, boys is connected with intelligent. So we will connect boys with intelligent, and yes, intelligent is connected with hardworking. So intelligent will be connected with hardworking. If in the question we are not finding any relation between boys and hardworking, so we will not draw in this type. Otherwise, our question will be wrong. When this picture will come, we will see in our next example. But yes, from these statement we can draw only this type of question. Now taking conclusion. And conclusion 1. If some boys are intelligent, according to this, some intelligent are boys also. So first conclusion will be some intelligent are boys. Second, if some intelligent are hardworking, remember some hardworking are intelligent. So here some hardworking are intelligent. These are the two valid conclusion that we get according to this statement. But yes, here one more thing I want to share with you. If in your examination, third conclusion is given, no hardworking is a boy. Now what will we do? According to this picture, this conclusion is absolutely correct. You are just finding that boy is not connected with hardworking. Hardworking is not connected with the boy. So according to this Venn diagram, no hardworking is a boy will be right. But remember, I'm telling you clue for these questions so that you can make your answer comfortably. Make sure when statements are affirmative, when statements are affirmative, conclusion must be affirmative, and here we are finding both sentences are affirmative, so there is no place for negative. There is no place for negative, so third option will be wrong. Only first and second are right, and answer will be only first and second follow, and this is your right answer. So remember, when all statements are affirmative, conclusion must be affirmative. So here no is given, that's why this conclusion will be wrong, and here only first and second will follow. So these are the type of particular affirmative statement. Now we are taking the question. Look, how will we solve? Now I am telling you the process to find out the answer. How will you connect the questions? And yes, just read the statement. There are three statements here and two conclusion. You will have to identify which conclusion is correct, which is wrong. So first we will draw Venn diagram according to these statements. Some oranges are peaches. Some oranges are peaches. All peaches are apple. All peaches are apple, and some apples are mango. Some apple are mango. So according to these statement, we can draw our picture in this way. Now we will match the conclusion and taking some mangoes are peaches. We are finding mango is not attached with peaches, so first option will be wrong. And some apples are peaches. I have told you earlier when I'm just going to start the class, when moving from outer to inner side, when moving from outer to inner side, conclusion always be in the form of some. So some apple are peaches, 100% correct. So only second options follow, and this is given in the second option, and this is your right answer. So simply you will have to draw the picture according to the given statement. And remember that I shared earlier, moving from inner to outer side, we can find the conclusion in the form of all as well as some. But yes, when moving from outer to inner side, every time we will have to conclude in the form of some, that is given in our question. So some apples are peaches, which is given in second option, and this is the right answer. Now taking another question. Look, some green is red. Some green is red. Some red is blue. Some red is blue. And all blue is yellow. All blue is yellow. Only we will have to cover all blue. We cannot take in this way. We cannot take in this way. If in question all blue is covered, all blue is yellow, so make sure only the blue part will cover with the yellow. So all blue are yellow. In this way we will have to take. Now match with the conclusion. Some yellow is green. Yellow green, there is no connection. First will be wrong. Some yellow is red. We can see some yellow is red. We are finding, so second options are correct. So some yellow is red. Only second conclusion follows, which is given in second option, and this is your answer. Now taking next question. All pens are papers. All pens are papers. Some papers are blades. Some papers are blades. And all blades are knives. All blades are knives. Now match with the conclusion, and here some knives are paper. We can see some knives are paper, 100% correct, and some blades are pens. There is no connections with blade and pens here, so second will be wrong. Only conclusion 1 will be the right, and which is given in first option, and this is your right answer. So I have explained only two pictures. I have explained only two pictures, and you are finding any answer comfortably. So make sure this is the very simplest and easiest way to find out the answer. We are doing right now affirmative statement. When negative will come, how will we connect the questions? I will explain, but make sure with the affirmative we will find in this way, and you are getting all answer correctly in this manner. So make sure when I'm just going to explain, just concentrate what I'm saying to you so that you can make your answer comfortably. And yes, moving to the next. Look, there are 3 statements and 4 conclusion. All blades are hammers. All blades are hammers. All hammers are rods. All hammers are rods. And all rods are buckets. So all rods are buckets. Now, what I said earlier, you will see here. I said to you, when we are moving from 1 to 3, means inner to outer side, conclusion will be in the form of all. And when moving from outer to inner side, conclusion will be in the form of some. One more thing I have already explained you, moving from inner to outer side, apart from all, some will be given in the form of conclusion. So make sure inner to outer side, either all or some will be given. But yes, from outer to inner side, always some will be given. Now we will match conclusion. Some buckets are hammers. From outer to inner side, some is given. So first option is the right. Some rods are blades. From outer to inner side, some will be given. So answer will be correct. All hammers are buckets. From inner to outer side, all will be happen. So make sure third option is right. And yes, all blades are rods. Moving from inner to outer side, all will be right. So all follow here, which is given in fourth option, and this is your answer. So this is the process to find out the answer that I want to share with you. All topics are very easy, but yes, if you are able to understand, then any topic can be clear. Any topic will be comfortable for you, and you will solve your questions comfortably. Yes, taking next question. Yes, now in question we are finding no, and conclusion also no. How will we do when question will come in the form of negative? So remember, here I am showing you how will you find questions if asked in the form of negative. Look, all pens are ink. All pens are ink. No ink is an eraser. No ink is an eraser. We are not finding any relation between ink and eraser. So make sure ink and eraser will be separate to each other, because between ink and eraser, no is given. Now, conclusion. No pen is an eraser. Yes, if we are not finding any relation with ink and eraser, make sure we can never establish any relation between eraser and pen. So no pen is an eraser. Absolutely right. And some erasers are pen. We cannot conclude second conclusion here because there is no connections between ink and eraser. So we can't say some erasers are pen. Will never. So make sure second option will be wrong and first option will the right answer, which is given in first option. So first we will have to calculate. First we will have to draw the pictures very well and we will have to understand the point. And in this questions we are finding no ink as an eraser means ink and eraser are not connected. So ink and eraser are not connected. Make sure pen and eraser will never be connected. That's why no pen as an eraser is correct and second are wrong. So when negative statement will come, then only negative conclusion will come. I have told you earlier, when all statements are affirmative, conclusion must be affirmative. But yes, when we are just finding negative statement, then only negative conclusion will come. Taking next question. Look, some exams are test. Some exams are test and no exam is a question. No exam is a question. So we are not finding any relation between exam and questions. We cannot conclude exams with the question because in a statement no exam is a question is given. Now conclusion, no question is a test. We can't say confidently no question is a test because here one more possibility is given and that possibility will be some exam are test. Question can be here. Now match with the statement. Some exam are test. Some exam are test. No exam is a question. No exam is a question. Both pictures are absolutely correct here because both pictures satisfy the statement. But we cannot say confidently no question is a test because there is a possibility question can be connected with test. So we can't say clearly no question is test will be right or wrong. That's why first option will be wrong here. And some tests are exam. Yes, we are finding some tests are exam. Some tests are exam. Second is correct here, which is given in second option. And this is your right answer. Generally, students will mistake here. No question is a test because they are finding no question is test. We can't say. There is a possibility. And possibility, when possibility will come, we have one affirmative sentence, one negative sentence. We can't say confidently no question is a test because some question are test is a possibility. So here first option will be wrong and second will be correct because no question can be exam. Some questions can, no question is a test and some questions are test. There is a possibility. So we cannot take first option wrong right here. So first option will be wrong because there are possibility of the statement some questions are test. What will and when will come, I will tell you in next example when questions will come. So here first option will be wrong and second will be the right answer. Same question. Okay. Some gears are wheels. Some gears are wheel and all wheels are brake. All wheels are brake. Now match with the option. No brake is gear. We are finding some brakes are gear. So first options will be wrong And at least some gears are brake, which is given here. At least some brake are gears. Second option will match with the picture. So second conclusion will be right. So make sure there is a word you are just finding here, at least. At least is the part of some. Remember, at least is the part of some. So at least will come with some. So that's why here in conclusion second, you are just finding at least some gears are brake. We can't say here at least gears are brake. So at least take some. So that's why here at least some gears are brake. So make sure at least is a part of some. Remember, second option will be right, and this is the right answer. Next, no month is a year. No month is a year. No year is a second. There is no connection. There is no connection. So here, all months are second will be wrong. And no second is a month. Same thing I want to share with you. We can't say no second is a month. There is a possibility of picture here also. No month is a year and second can come here. Now you just match with the statement. No month is year. No month is year. No year is second. No year is second. No year is second. So there is a possibility. And possibility means if single statement will given, no second is month will be wrong, because we can't say confirm no second is month, because there is a possibility some months are second also. So make sure second also be wrong. Neither one nor two will be the fine answer, and this is the right answer. So remember, in this type of question, always keep you in mind that here no month is year, confidently is a no. No year is second, confidently no. But yes, in the question, if month and second are given, here it can be or cannot be. And make sure when can be and cannot be is given in the question, means if one statement is affirmative, one statement is negative, we will share this type of question in either or. Basically, these are the part of either or. That's why I'm not telling you here only, but here conclusion second will be wrong. Make sure, and neither one nor two will be the right answer. Next question. Some wires are fires. Some wires are fires, and all fires are tires. Now match with the option. At least some tires are wires. At least some tires are wires. 100% correct. And some fires are definitely not. Remember, not is given. If statements are affirmative, conclusion must be affirmative. So there is no place for not. So second conclusion will be wrong. Only first will be right, which is given in first option, and this is your answer. So when negative will come with affirmative statement, I will tell you in our next class when we share either or. So make sure here, if statements are affirmative, conclusion must be affirmative. But in second conclusion, not is given. That's why second option will be wrong. So yes, in today's our session, Sylog Part 1, we have discussed universal affirmative statement, particular affirmative statement, and yes, we have already shared negative also. One more part that is important for your examination, and that part is either or, that we will see in our next session. Hopefully this topic will help you to solve the questions comfortably. This is the very simplest and easiest ways to find out the answer. Make sure you will have to draw pictures very well so that you can match your answers with your conclusion, and your answers may be sure that I'm just telling you your answer will be 100% right if you're just going to draw Venn diagram correctly. So yes, in our next session we will do part 2. That's all for today. Thank you so much. Jai Hind.